Does TRT requires any sort of special monitoring about cardiac hypertrophy or heart disease in general?
Not unless you already have issues. If you're already seeing a cardiologist and you're being monitored for any cardiomyopathies or LVH or anything of the sort, then it's not a bad idea, because remember, the heart is a muscle. Cardiac muscle is still a muscle. And if you are using any sort of an anabolic, which testosterone is, the ability of the muscle to enlarge, strengthen, thicken, grow is going to be enhanced. It's protein synthesis. There's a lot of guys who've never been on TRT and have cardiomegaly, and it's a result, or LVH. It's called runner's heart or athlete's heart. And it's just from years of elevated acute systolic pressure under loads. And the left ventricle wall, which is responsible for systemic circulation of your blood through the aorta, is going to have a lot of pressure on it when there's oxygen demands in the muscle. And if you're exercising for many years, the ventricle wall is going to have to pump really hard, and it's going to thicken. And when you take the walls of a room and you thicken the walls, you are taking the lumen, or the chamber part of that chamber, and you're making it smaller because you're thickening the walls around it. You're also decreasing the elasticity of that muscle and making it harder to pump. So your ejection volume is going to be smaller per pump. Therefore, your heart rate is going to increase. So if you're already on monitoring from a cardiologist, then sure, just let them know what you're doing, and make sure you have their blessing. And if you don't have their blessing, ask them why. And if they can't give you a valid answer why they have concerns, find a new cardiologist.
Yeah.
I've seen many testosterone-friendly cardiologists, and I've also seen a lot that just tell you it's going to kill you from a stroke, and they can't tell you why, or they can't cite any studies or anything like that. They just tell you because it will. So then just get a new one, get a new cardiologist. Remember, you have healthcare professionals at your disposal who are not there to tell you what you want to hear, but there to tell you the truth. And if the truth hurts, then listen to it, but look at the evidence. If you feel that what they're telling you is not the truth, get somebody who's going to tell you the truth. You can shop them around. And when I say shop, I don't mean financially. I mean, just get someone who's going to understand your health and do what you want done, essentially, for the best outcome possible.